Hi, welcome back to Navigar Bisaya. If you're new to this channel, I'm Robert. In this video, I will show you how to create Maritime Google Classroom. Please subscribe for notification. Thank you. Now, let's create the Google Classroom. First, you must sign into your account. Let's sign in. Put your password. There you are. Now, we are now in our account. On the right upper corner, if you click this one, you will see the various free application of Google. And the lower part is the classroom. So you click that, then we will go to your classroom. If you have created before a classroom, then it will appear. If this is your first time, then it's blank. So mine has sample classroom already. So if we want to create a classroom, see this plus sign on the upper right corner, you just click that and you will be given two options, as a student, as a teacher. So as a teacher, we would like to create a classroom. So just click create class and you will be given a form. A form will pop up which will require you to enter the information about the class. Now, let's have a dummy details of the class. So let's have seamanship. Class name, by the way, is the course code given by the government, given by CHED. So let's have seamanship sim 1. So section is the school course identifier, like an ADP code. Let's put an ADP code. So the subject is the name of the course. So seamanship one. Room is your assigned room in your class load. Let's say 12. Great.
Welcome to Seamanship 1.
Now, in the classroom, there are information that you should take note, like this class code. This class code, if you click that one, is a code that would give access to your student. A code that will give access to your student, the code that you will distribute to your student in order that they can join your class. So, on the upper side of the classroom, there are 4 areas. The stream, which you can communicate with your class directly. Post here, then all your class will be notified by email that you have something posted. Now, you can also respond to their post if you allow them to post, but it's your choice, it's your option if you will allow them to post. For me, I advise not to allow them to post. Anyway, there are private messages between you inside the classroom. Now, let's go to classwork. Classwork is the heart and soul of the Google Classroom. Here, you will create your prelim topics, your midterm topics, your semifinal topics, and final topics. Also, in every topic, there are activities like assignment, quizzes, meetings, and other activities based on your syllable. So people, as of now, there is nothing because there is no student. Once it is populated with student, then name of the student will appear below the student column. Now, let's go to grades. Grades, you have no student, so you have no grades. You have no column, you have no class record because you don't have student. But when students start to join,
The class record will be generated. Student's name will be on the first column and student's activities on the first row of the table.
so also on this area, you click this one, is the class details. As you can see, you have already your classroom, and here is your option. This one is your option to allow the student or not. Meet, you can generate meet link. This is conferencing with your student, one by one, group by group. It's up to the teacher. So in the lower part is the grading system, which is on your syllables.
It is very crucial that the grading system has been set up before using the classroom, as the program will use the grading system to compute the grades of your student.
Now, remember a Gmail account because they cannot join in the Google Classroom if there is no account. And the format must be their full name at gmail.com. For example, mine, it's robertmaluya at gmail.com. If necessary, include the middle name because sometimes people have the same name. So that's all. Thank you for watching.